Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounce Automotive. Today I have a 2015 Ford Escape SC. I'm going to walk you around this Escape real fast and show you some features on it. Alright, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Guys, we've completed a full inspection on this Escape, and we're also going to put a 30-day warranty on it as well too. Now, due to COVID-19, we are working by appointment only. Or we can set up a test drive at your house or something like that, so we can work together and figure out a solution for you to look at this vehicle. Now, if the stay in shelter has been lifted, disregard this message. The previous owner was a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle. This Escape is extremely clean inside and out. Again, no rips or tears in the seats back here, no funny smells. Like I said, the previous owner was a non-smoker. Now, we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Now, if you have your own bank that you like to work with, that's perfectly fine. Come in, take a look at the vehicle, and we can send you with the paperwork and get everything squared away with your own bank. Now, you can fold these seats down flat if you need a little more room, and you're also going to have a backup camera as well too. Guys, if you have any questions about this Escape, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to take another video for you, more photos, whatever we can do to help you, we'll be more than happy to do. We want to make the process easy as possible. My name is Tim. You can give me a call at 309-527-2054. We are open 6 days a week in El Paso, Illinois. Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. On Saturdays, 8 to 12. We'd be more than happy to stay later, come in earlier. We're really easy to work with. Let's hop inside of the Escape and look around a little more. Of course, you have power windows, power locks. Again, no rips or tears in these seats. Now, these are cloth seats, but they are going to be heated. Always nice to have. I don't see any cracking or fading in the dash. I don't see any chipping or cracking in the windshield. You will have a backup camera. You're gonna have Bluetooth, cruise control, all that good stuff there. It's got 57,000 miles on it. We're gonna put a warranty on this vehicle for you. We also have financing as well. Give us a call at 309-527-2054. My name is Tim. Just let us know. We can help you out, and we'll do anything we can to help you guys. Thanks for taking the time and watching this video, and stay safe out there.